please make sure to download and open the file called templates. And let's go to our Backstage and let's click on new and let's search for a template. Let's maybe call this a budget. And it should search for the template, searching thousands of online templates. Just give it a moment and you can really select any which one. Do remember that this is American, so you might have to change a couple of things. So let me take this personal budget. It's going to say personal monthly budget. It's provided by the Microsoft Corporation. Make your financial health a priority with this monthly budget template. It tracks your monthly budget by income and expenses, including housing expenses, loans, transportation costs, and many more. This budget Excel template is easy to use. Just fill in a few cells and the rest is calculated automatically. You can even compare projected costs with actual costs to hone your budgeting skills over time. This monthly budget template is a must for gaining personal financial freedom. It's good to read. Sometimes, going through this description, you can find exactly what it is that you're looking for. And there's a different text. Let's just go back to that first one. Download size is 44K. Let's click on create. And there we go. Gives us a little bit of information regarding the template. And there we have our template. Once again, it's in American, so you're going to have to go through each and every single one of these items and change the currency to South African Rand. So you can just simply highlight from the home tab, the number group, select on the accounting number format. Let's select South African Rand, go wherever you see the Rand. Just change this document to Rand. There we go. Just change the currency. Just remember, it's just a little bit tedious in the beginning, but it's well worth it. Especially, templates saves many hours of work. And there we go. Change all this to Rand as well. Change all of this to Rand, and I'm going to select multiple cells by using the control button on the keyboard. Scroll down, projected costs. It's just selecting everything. There we go. Whoops. All of this data there, just select it. Back into the accounting number format, and there we go. So now everything has been changed, so now we can start playing with this budget. Now once we finish, we can actually save the file. Let's save this rather quickly, and then in the next video we'll be talking about how to open up these templates. So this will be personal monthly budget, and it will always add a 1. So the name is actually personal budget 1. Let's just change it to personal monthly budget. Let's save the file.